Hello students, in this clip I am going to discuss the impact of LPG or New Economic Policy on the Indian economy. We know that this policy of LPG was introduced and implemented in the year 1991. Since then, many positive and negative impact have been observed. So we will begin with the positive impacts of new economic policy. The first impact of new economic policy that it gave a boost or push to our economy because of liberalization, privatization and globalization. Overall, production of the economy has increased and economic activity have taken a rise, due to which Indian economy has increased larger and larger year by year. The second benefit of this policy was increase in industrial production. Since the policy adopted liberalization and freedom to the producers was given to decide what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce, there was substantial increase in industrial production, and due to production of industrial sector, other sectors have also improved and IT industry also got a boost in India. The next benefit of new economic policy is that it has created a check on fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is a situation when government earns less and its spendings are more. It means there is deficit of funds. But after liberalization, the tax reforms were introduced and government revenue increased and there was a control on fiscal deficit. This has allowed government to spend money on important areas and they can take better participation in the economic activities. The fourth benefit of LPG is that it had also checked inflation. Inflation occurs because of the mismatch in demand and supply of goods. If goods are less in comparison to the demand, there will be surely an inflation. So after adopting the new economic policy, production has got a boost and there is greater flow of goods and services, and therefore inflation has been lowered and people have more availability of goods. This also has reduced the cost of investment because banking system has been improved and it allows producers to borrow from the banks more easily at moderate rates. So inflation is checked because of this policy. Another benefit or positive impact seen on the Indian economy is that inflow of foreign investment has increased and it is easily available in India because government restrictions on investors and producers have been liberalized or removed, and there is greater freedom given to the producers and they are free to decide on the matter of investment and production in Indian economy. The next benefit of new economic policy or LPG is that it has led to increase in foreign exchange reserves. Since foreign investment flow has increased, besides this, Indian products are competitive and better in quality. So exports have increased. As a result, now India has sufficient amount of foreign exchange reserves and its confidence in the global market has improved. Now, because of LPG, the market of Indian economy has become more competitive. As a result, the Indian producers are bound to update and modernize their products. Besides this, there are many foreign investors and foreign producers providing quality of products and a large variety of products, due to which competitive environment has been encouraged. The further benefit that goes to the consumers. Today, Indian market is full of variety of products of each and every kind, from pencil to cars and other bigger and larger products. There is large variety available, and the prices are also competitive. This gives the consumer a sovereignty, and he rules the market. Instead of producers taking benefit and larger profits, today the consumer has better options and choices of buying the different products of his liking and according to his budget. So we can see that LPG has made Indian economy a vibrant and growth oriented economy, and Indian economy is emerging as an economic power in the world forum.